It's still quite unbelievable, but the real truth and the reality happening live, still happening live at St. Joseph Catholic Church, Edo-Ekiti. We are reporting live, and you can see people are still coming. It happened all of a sudden, and before we know it, the news circulated to all corners of Edo-Ekiti that even people far and near, people beyond are coming, and we are marveled. We are still marveled. It is marvelous in our sight. If we had met the people that came earlier, they would have told us how they experienced it, their experience of it, and how they got to know it. To me, it was like a news, but I came to testify and I saw, and it was actually truth, and I can see. And when you look up, you can see the people raising up their hands for the water to drop on them. People kneeling, praying to God to receive the blessing as well. Wow. Wow. The blessing of God is much, and His grace surpasses all things. And you can see, when it touches you, you live for your neighbor to receive. And the water is still dropping. It is marvelous in your sight. People are singing choruses, people are praying. Who knows? But we are grateful to God that it happened in our land and in our sight and at our own time, and people are still coming. Yes. We bless the Almighty and we praise God. Wow. So how did you come to know about this place?
Huh?
When did you hear of it? How did
this
it start
evening,
happening? You heard it this evening?
Exactly. For what I discovered, somebody told me at around 5 after 6.
Yes. As around that kind after 6, I came here. When I was coming in, I saw your mom there. I never knew what was really happening till I got to hear the news, but I came to confirm and testified myself.
Exactly.
So have you been there?
I've been there, and I discovered there's water flowing from the temple.
Could you please tell us how you feel about it?
What I felt is anointing from heaven, His blessings from heaven.
You are a parishioner and you worship here?
Exactly.
That's good to hear, and we bless God.
Thank you.
Really, it happened in our sight. We do hear it as a story, and people are still coming. You see, the blessing of God is for all man. You see, wow, it's so great. And nobody, it is still a mystery, even till this moment, that people are still driving in, and it is still a mystery in our sight, and we could not believe, but till we saw, and we believed. Oh my goodness. Still the same story, still the same question, and people are still asking, what is happening? See, we can't tell exactly what it is, but just the way we saw it from the third foot of the cross, the water is dropping. Remember, we are still in Hamatan, and the Hamatan is much on our side, and everywhere is dried. There is no sign of rainfall, but we are experiencing the drop of the water from the third foot of the crucifix. The Lord is marvelous. He is really marvelous. You know, as you can see, that people are still here, and we are ready to sleep here to experience the blessings of God.